Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to put ISOs on your PSP for free. Alright, first what you want to do is make sure you have custom firmware. I have custom firmware 6.20 Pro B8. It's like the newest hack. It's the newest custom firmware. I'll put links in the description so you can see how to do this yourself. What you want to do first is you want to go to this website right here, PSP ISOs. I'll have a link in the description for it. First what you want to do is you want to go over here to the sidebar and go to downloads. Go to PSP ISO/CSO, and you can either use this to download, which is probably the best, but you can also, if you want a quick search, get your games like say The Godfather. You just search Godfather, and you can go down, and there it is right there. You can click this. This is a link for one site for the download, and here's a mirror for it. Either one works, but usually you should use this. If there's a part 2, then you just click here and then click part 2. And so click that. Go down here, and if you're premium on whatever website comes up, that's good for you. If not, you just click slow download, and you type in whatever it shows, like 318. And then just click download now. And I already have this downloaded to my computer, so I'm just going to show you. Alright, when you get it, it's like, for some people it'll show up in the bottom as a Adobe file, and you can't just open that. Just drag it to your computer like this, click here and go to extract, and that'll extract it somewhere on your desktop. That works just as fine. And then when that happens, just drag this back into here, and there's your CSO file. Next thing you need to do is plug in your USB cord and plug in your PSP. Alright, plug your files. And then what you're going to need is you're going to have to go to new, folder, and then make one that says ISO in all caps. It has to be all caps. But just make that, I already have one made. And then go to this ISO, and your things will be here. Like you see this right here. Some may be an ISO file, some may be a CSO file, but it's fine. They both are the same. They both work. But once that's downloaded, you just exit out of all that. Go down to here, and you don't have to do this, but I think it's the safest thing. And just eject, so then it shows you're safe to remove hardware. Alright, now I'll go to my camera to show you what to do next. Alright, with some PSP custom firmwares, like you see, go system settings. So you can see right there, 6.20 Pro B8. Yep. And with some, when you go over, you just go over to game. You go down to this part, and you can see the games I already have downloaded. But see, there's The Godfather. It's sometimes on some custom firmwares, you'll start it up and it'll take you right back to the screen and show some error. And what you'll have to do is you have to click select. I'll show this menu. I don't know if you can see that too well, but you go down to UMD ISO mode. You can't really see that. Oh, UMD ISO mode, and mine's like the newest custom firmware there is. So there's this thing called Inferno. Some of yours may say normal, but just go over to M33 driver and go down to reset VSH, I mean, yeah. Go there, go back to Inferno. But just to show you that it works. Okay. And you can just play. So that's how you do it. Put ISOs on your PSP. Thanks for watching.